All right, 12:23 on April 11th, after multiple fails by POLSIA and catching them lying to us, saying that the DocuSign-like signing thing is ready after going through this button flow. We're trying it for the umpteenth time. Here we go. Takes us to this page on our own page. Linda's got to fix her own code for the double header. This takes us to their site, customer information sheet. I don't see anything DocuSign like here. It's still the scroll thing. It's good enough for me, but we're looking for a paginated white box. All right, so all that's there. We go to the next one. Start your engagement. Pick the secular path, that retainer. I don't know how annual projected savings is still coming through. I guess that's the default. So they're just doing a retainer to get. This is just for getting funding. Fred Flintstone. Serious lag here because I'm probably recording. Jeez. What other windows are open, man? All right, we only have one window open. It shouldn't be so slow. Painfully awkward, maybe because I'm recording the screen. It wasn't really this bad before. Come on, Fred Flintstone. Dear God. Fine, whatever. Well, that jumped on me. Gotta do this all over. I'm gonna skip whatever I can skip. It looks like you gotta put this in here. I'm putting 33 to see if it asks if there's 3 other owners. I'm not noticing that one either. Purpose of funding, working capital. just here for some funding, nothing else. Under 10 mil. I have reviewed signature, state of corporation. Now this should highlight where the issue is. Do you see anything orange? Nope. Alright, I guess it wasn't filled in. It was just fake. Alright, go to the bottom. Should be good to go. Alright, next NDA. Doesn't like www. I don't know that everyone would get that, but you're going to have to type HTTPS right here. Now, let's see. Tap it once. Alright. Now we got to the NDA. I guess this is the DocuSign viewer. It's still kind of cool. Alright, has my company information. Company type, participation. Doesn't have the bedrock company information in the NDA. That's disappointing. That's still a problem. Okay. So, what are we doing here? Just reading it? Prepared for Fred Flintstone. Bedrock Corp, company name, C Corp, all that stuff's there. Mutual NDA between STLPSI and a company type. Yeah, that doesn't work. So, jeez. POLSIA really sucks. I'm about to be done with them. They're great when they're great, but when they suck, they suck. All the standard stuff. What do we got down here? No place to sign. No place to sign at the end. Man. Absolute failure. I don't even know how they stay in business. I don't even have a place to sign and move on. You must read and acknowledge. Am I supposed to tap it? Oh. Well, then they should say tap it. What happens if I type here? Is there something typed there? It's like I can kind of barely see something. When you untap it, page 1 of 7. Alright, so they tried to DocuSignify it, but you're showing a white background with maybe you have white ink. I can sort of see that something is there, but clearly you need to use black ink or green or some purple color. I don't know. Definitely not white ink for the form-filled variables on a white background. Okay, that's an issue. I'm going to go ahead and next just to see if fixing the color of ink is the only thing. Plus, there's the name of the company's not in there. Let's go to the end. All right, close it. And then you have a chance to move forward. Review documents. All right, it says that. So we paid them to build this to sign it. Now there's the information. You can see it's in white letters. So they probably used this black background and white letters and transferred it to a white DocuSign-esque background without changing the font. And that's why we couldn't see it. Letter of intent. So okay, now it's the LOI. We did not sign and get a copy of an email. That's not supposed to occur like that. So we'll stop there.